Hey guys, Mikey here. Very quick video today just on Binance. 1 or 2 days ago, they've released a function in Binance to convert all of your, if you've got any coins that are worth a very small amount of money, you can actually convert them to the BNB coin, okay, which is Binance's own coin, and you can use that coin to reduce your fees and so forth. Guys, to do that, once you're logged into Binance, if you don't have an account with Binance at the moment, I definitely recommend getting one. Okay, if you don't have one, there's a link in the description below, and the reason why you want to start using this exchange is they're the #1 volume exchange currently trading in crypto at the moment. Okay, and more volume means more volatility, means more gains that we can potentially make. So in Binance, guys, if you log in, go to your funds, go to balances. Okay, this is this screen here. You can click on this button here, convert to BNB. Okay, it'll show you a list of all the coins that are worth less than 0.001 of a Bitcoin. Okay, and it'll tell you how much you'll get. You know, you've selected this many coins. Now, a lot of these coins are either leftovers from trades, or if you've been using the affiliate link, you know, you do get a small amount of commissions and so forth as well. So I'm just going to hit the exchange button down here. Approximate value is this much that I'm going to receive. Just hit confirm. Okay, and it'll do its process. And we've got the balances. So if we check the balances page, it's updated. BNB coin is here. Okay, so now we've got our extra amount there, and I've got my account set on actually using that as my fees, so it'll reduce my amount of fees. So that's it, guys. The 24-hour volume ranking on CoinMarketCap showing Binance as #1, so definitely start using this exchange if you are not using it. Okay, again, link in the description below. Hope you guys enjoy the very simple video. Have a good day.